According to public records, KGW has learned part of the civil case involving former West Linn doctor David Farley and 2 of the clinics was settled out of court. But the suit from 3 remaining plaintiffs against Providence continues and is still scheduled for trial. In one filing from December, Providence lawyers write about the alleged victims. None allege that Dr. Farley ever treated them at Providence's facility or that any of his alleged abuse of them occurred there. Providence wants the court to separate the trials individually, first with liability, then if that's proven, move to damages. Laura Appelman is a law professor at Willamette University.
Often you want to do that because I think the more testimony about disturbing actions like sexual abuse by a doctor that the jury might hear, even if not all of it is proven, it tends to add up.
Providence says that lumping all 3 together into one trial would be unfair to them.
First is that as a general matter, you have 3 instead of 1. If this is a jury trial, you just have more damning alleged evidence. Yes, it's alleged, and yes, it could be not proven, but it's just more.
David Farley faces more than a dozen criminal charges after he was arrested in October of 2025. Earlier in January, the DOJ added additional charges and 2 more victims. The accusations first came to light back in 2020, which is when Farley abruptly retired and moved out of state. The state's medical board revoked his license that same year.
One of the things we'll all be watching is how much of the evidence in the civil trial is going to be admitted in the criminal trial, which has just higher standards for what can come in.
And David, the civil trial is set to start on Monday.
Devin Haskins in the newsroom. Thanks so much, Devin.